deeply cleanse your skin, reduce dark spots and pigmentation, make your skin radiant, and do it with a very gentle combination of Ayurveda and modern science along with yoga. Yes, some of you might feel, array, another collaboration with Ayuga. I would request you to consider the point that why yet another collaboration with Ayuga. And for that, there is only one answer: belief in the product. Ayuga's 5% Radiance Face Wash is just the answer for you if you're looking for a gentle cleanse that not only helps your skin get healthier and radiant, but also makes it healthy in the long run. It makes it healthy while cleansing it because it's powered with 5% Kumkumadi skin oils. Kumkumadi comes from the wisdom of Ayurveda, which is hundreds and hundreds of years old. Kumkumadi oils are made from vaanya herbs, which not only lighten your skin and make it healthier, but also protect our skin from pigmentation, acne, and breakouts. In fact, it's one of those rare face washes which not only cleanses your skin, but also makes your skin healthy in the long run. It's beautifully combined with a miraculous saffron which brightens your skin and controls sun damage and also controls melanin production, which of course helps reducing pigmentation. It's got rose water, which is very anti-inflammatory and extremely gentle in cleansing your skin and calming your skin. It has these old Ayurvedic herbs of lotus and mulethi. It's got lotus extracts, which is very good in cell rejuvenation, which means you're going to wrinkle later and therefore your skin will look firmer and plumper for longer. And mulethi, as we all know, really helps in reducing the melanin, pigmentation, acne scars. Basically, it just helps improve the uneven skin tone because it has lightening properties which are very well known in Ayurvedic system. One of the most important ingredients from Ayurveda that this face wash has is sandalwood. Sandalwood is great at calming your skin and is also an antiseptic. And because sandalwood is able to improve the blood circulation, it really helps in anti-aging the skin, but also in removing uneven skin tone. A lot of the time, uneven skin tone on our skin comes because there is redness or inflammation or itching on the skin. Extremely suitable for all skin types, the 5% Skin Radiance Ayuga face wash is created with the help of professors from Ayurveda. And all the herbs are USDA certified, which means you get a very authentic, clean experience from a great product. It is best done with a yoga pose, which has been researched and found to be best used while you're cleansing your skin. Additional tip here, it actually helps to have water in your mouth and swishing the water from left to right. So while you're cleansing your face, this will make sure that your cheeks will remain fuller, you'll have less wrinkling and less sagging. How beautiful is this combination? And the best thing is, if you forget which pose to use, you can always scan at the back of the product. Right here, the QR code is right over here and it will show you the pose to be used in great detail. And as you can see here, all the things that matter are listed behind the product. A very clean, authentic Ayurvedic product. I have been absolutely enjoying my experience using this face wash because even though it cleanses your skin very deeply and nicely, it does not strip your skin, doesn't make it feel dry or itchy or stretched at the end of it. 10% Kumkumadi Skin Radiance Night Gel is an absolute beautiful finish to an evening skin routine. As you can see, mine is empty. I've used it so much and I've actually ordered my next jar as well. Comes in this beautiful texture, as you can see here. It's really gel-like and gets absorbed super easily and beautifully into your skin, as you can see here. "10% Kumkumadi Skin Radiance Night Gel" has 10% Kumkumadi oil and USDA certified organic herbs. The aroma or the fragrance of this product is absolutely next level. I have been using it and absolutely loving this night gel. In fact, you can see the radiance on your skin when you get up the next day morning. Your skin just feels plump and alive and deeply nourished. When you're using the 10% Kumkumadi night gel, you can expect less acne scars, less pigmentation, a lot more evenness to your skin tone. You can expect a lot of plumpness and definitely a lot of radiance. And that radiance is coming because of the deep hydration that this product gives you. It's good to use the Ayuga as the whole skincare routine because the ingredients kind of complement each other when you use them one after the other. The 10% Kumkumadi night gel has saffron, which helps brighten the skin and control the melanin production, which means you're going to get less pigmentation and acne scars. It's got muletti, which is lightening for the skin, so less uneven skin tone. It's got lotus extract, which really plumps your skin, making it look younger and very, very dewy and smooth and soft. You have to use it to know how beautiful your skin feels over a period of time. Because it's Ayurveda, it's slow, consistent skincare. But the fact is that the Ayuga skincare Ayurveda is combined with new modern ingredients. So you don't have to wait like for years to see the effect. You can see the effect very, very well in a few weeks. It also has sandalwood, so if you are somebody who has irritated skin or has itchy skin or tends to have a lot of breakouts, sandalwood is absolutely beautiful because not only does it calm your skin and is anti-inflammatory, sandalwood also works very well in improving the blood circulation. The more blood circulation we have on our skin, the more oxygenated blood goes to our, to our pores, therefore making our skin healthier and definitely more glowy and radiant. Among the newer ingredients, it's got niacinamide, which not only controls sebum, but it's also great at lightening your skin and also hydrating your skin. It's got hyaluronic acid, which gives you good plumpness. It's got apricot oil, wheat germ oil, which is of course very good because they are very rich in fatty acids. Fatty acids make sure that your skin barrier is always maintained. The more intact and healthy the skin barrier is, the less breakouts we get, the less pigmentation, the less wrinkling, the less sagging. It's also got sodium PCA and sodium gluconate, which means great hydration, and it's got extract of olive oil. Olive oil, as we know, is just one of the most beautiful oils that you can use for your skin. The fatty acids primarily and the other goodness of olive oil make sure that your skin does not wrinkle very early, does not sag, and remains almost blemish free. The 10% Kumkumadi Ayuga night gel is beautiful for all skin types. Oily skin will find it getting absorbed very, very easily and beautifully into your skin, as will the people with dry skin. It's also good for combination skin. I have dry skin and I've absolutely loved the night gel experience. And you can see the radiance on the skin when you use it consistently. And also, I think the yoga in combination with these beautiful ingredients really helps in uplifting your skin beautifully. A lot of you have shared how much you've loved these products, and if you're new to this channel, you've discovered another great skincare which is steeped in not only the wisdom of Ayurveda but also combines modern science and yoga to give you your best skin ever. For more, I'm going to meet you in the comment section. And if you would like to experience the magic of the Ayuga products, you can find them on their website and also on Amazon, Nykaa and Flipkart.